Hey guys, today I'm coming at you from inside the office today with another Bundu tip on the Bundutec product. So today's tip is regarding the awning stakes that come with the awning. So you'll get one stake with a spring attachment for every arm that you have on the Bundu configuration. So we had a customer call with this question, so I figured I might as well do a video because if someone has a question, I'm sure others are out there as well. I was one of those until I figured out how these stakes work. So inside your packet with the BunduAwn, you'll get a bundle with stakes. Each stake is going to have the stake and then what looks like a spring attached to it. The first step is going to be to go ahead and take the stake out from the spring. So they're two separate pieces that get used in the final connection. It's going to look like this in the ground. But to get started, first thing is you want to take them apart. So let's take the stake out of the center. These pieces in the center also come out. So if you push one end, you can pull, just squeeze them together and pull this out. If it's tight to pull, you can use the awning stake to get it out as well, but usually they slide pretty quick. So just squeeze together and pull, and then you'll get three pieces with that. You will get two of these little U shapes, and then the spring itself. So once you have that separated, you go ahead and ready to stake your awning down. So you'll take the guide rope off from the bolt that's on the pivot point of the awning. On the end of the guide rope, you've got a loop. So you'll take that loop, and you're going to go ahead and thread it through the center of the spring. Once you pull that loop out from the other side, you're going to take one of the U-shaped pieces that we took out. You're going to put that through the loop as well. Then you're going to slide that spring down, and you're going to pull it tight, bringing the loop to the other side of the spring. Once that's set, you're going to take the other U-channel piece that we took out, and you're going to slide that in from the rope side. So you see where the rope is on that end? You're going to take this and you're just going to slide this in place and secure it down so that the hooks are on the side and then you've got an open rectangle on the other side. And go ahead and estimate where this needs to be in the ground with using the Titan piece that's on there. Put your stake in the ground. When it gets just about all the way down, you'll loosen this, put it through the stake, and then finish staking the awning down the rest of the way. We usually put our stakes in the ground so that they're in line with this loop down here, just giving you the maximum amount in the ground as possible. And the way this is designed is that when the wind blows and the awning might move, this spring is going to take that force and tension and help with the security of the awning. So if you swipe up from the bio or find our link in the bio, it'll take you to our YouTube channel. We've got tons of other tips and tricks that we get. Some that we've come up with on our own just by personal use, and others that customers have called and had questions with. So if you have questions on something specific, give us a call. We're always happy to help and do a video that will help you and others use the product from Bundutec for the lifetime, not only on the truck campers, but the rooftop tents and awning as well. Hopefully it helps. Good luck with your awning.